Hello everyone, this is class 7th biology, lesson number 5 photosynthesis. Short question answers of this lesson I have already given. This is part D that we will do today. Explain photosynthesis, represent photosynthesis using a word equation. So answer of this question is on page number 60. You will write from here. From here. Answer number 1. The process by which green plants use energy, right, to convert these things. You will not write this figure number up to here. From here to here is your answer number 1. Hope you know that what is photosynthesis. This is the word equation that which two substances combine with each other in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygen. Next question is write a short note on stomata. Answer of this question is on same page. For answer you will start from here. This is your answer number 2. Stomata are present mostly on the lower surface of leaves and on green stems. From here full the guard cells. And you will not write these figure numbers up to here. इसको मत देखो, ये शॉर्ट के आंसर थे. Up to here. Also you will draw both the diagrams of stomata open and stomata closed. Next question number 3. Explain any 3 factors that affect photosynthesis. Means photosynthesis get affected with which factors? Answer of this question is on page number 63. Here from you will write firstly this line. Factors such as this and this are main factors that affect photosynthesis. Firstly you will write this line. Then you will start from here. He has asked 3 factors to explain, but you will explain 4 factors because sometimes it comes in the paper that explain the 4 to 5 factors that affects the photosynthesis. So you will explain all the 4 factors. Full. Next question. How will you test the presence of starch in green leaves? We have done this activity. So answer of this question is on same page 63. You will do this activity, write full activity on your notebook. No need to write the figure numbers. Now you will ask me that will we draw the figures? Yes, you will draw the figure also. How will you show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis? This activity we have also done. This activity is given on page number 64. You will write this full activity and draw the diagram also. Clear? No need to write figure number this and this anywhere if it is given. Yeah, as explained in activity 1, you can write as it is in the notebook, but if you are writing the same in the question answer, right, in the exam, then you need to explain. You can't write as explained in the activity 1. राइट बेटा, तो वहाँ पे आप सारा एक्सप्लेन करोगे. वहाँ पेपर में ऐसे मत लिखना, नोटबुक में आप लिख लो बिकॉज यू हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन दिस एक्टिविटी इन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. Write a short note on significance of photosynthesis. How photosynthesis is helpful to us, that you can see. So answer of this question, you will write this full up to here. Might be you can think that it's very lengthy, but it's not tough because photosynthesis are having mainly 2 significances. Firstly, it gives food to everyone, because if photosynthesis will occur, then plants can make their own food. So everyone directly or indirectly depends on plants for food. Next is oxygen. When photosynthesis occur, plants release oxygen that is used by all the living beings. So you will explain full. Part E. Look at the pictures and answer the questions that follow. This picture is given. What is this? What does this picture shows? This is the open stomata. So you can write open. This picture shows open stomata. Next, what are these structures found? Where are these structures found in plant? They are found in, you will write full. These structures are found in a plant at lower surface of leaf and on green stem. What are their functions? So what are the functions of stomata? Number one, functions of stomata. They helps in exchange of gases. Number two, they helps in transpiration also. Hope you know the exchange of gases, like they take the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen in the environment. And second, transpiration means when the water is went out of the leaves and the aerial parts of the plant due to the sunlight. With this transpiration, the plants feel cooling as we feel due to the sweating. Last part, F. Look at the pictures and answer the questions that follow. So this activity we have already done. Where we have done, identify an activity for which this set is required. To show light is necessary for photosynthesis. This is the name of activity where this set is required. Which liquid is being added to the leaf? कौन सा liquid add करते हैं? Iodine solution. What happens to the part of leaf covered with black paper? What happened to it? It becomes colorless. This part becomes colorless even after iodine drops are added to it. What does this indicate? क्या शो करता है? It indicates that colorless part does not receive light, so no photosynthesis occurred here. Is it clear to everyone? So now do all the things on your notebook. Thank you.